I wasn't sure what to make a video about today, so I asked Descript using Ask AI, let's brainstorm ideas. So here in our project, if you go to the actions and then Ask AI, you can have it write a script, outline a script, or this third one, brainstorm ideas with me. You can click on that, and then it says brainstorm ideas with me about, and again, this is just ChatGPT, so you can ask it anything in plain English. But I'm gonna delete those three dots. I'm gonna say brainstorm ideas with me about Descript FAQs that a beginner user might ask. I'll hit enter. AI is thinking, and it's already done. It says, are you looking to brainstorm some common questions that beginner users might have about Descript? It's just asking for me to clarify that. And so I could say, yes, topics that beginner users, and then I'll hit enter. AI is thinking. Here's some common topics that beginner users might want to see tutorials on in a Descript frequently asked questions. Importing audio, yada, yada, yada. It gave me 5 examples, and I could ask it to refine the response. I could ask it for more ideas, which I'll do. Give me more ideas, hit enter, and it gave me 5 more. Script publishing, shortcut keys, timeline editing, and then it gives these topics could provide valuable guidance for beginner users. I could keep going, or I could close it. I could then go into Ask AI. I could have it outline a script based on one of those ideas. So let's do about hotkeys in Descript. AI is thinking, sure, I've outlined a draft for a script about hotkeys in Descript, introduction to hotkeys in Descript. And so those are like the bullet points that you could cover in a video about this. But that's it for today. I just wanted to show you how you can overcome creative blocks by using what is ChatGPT inside of Descript